In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to change the store name, basically how to modify the two bottom lines on the label to perhaps maybe represent the store and the phone number. And so I'm going to follow this user manual here, and we are on page number 15, page 15, program store name. There it is. So to get started, we are going to hit the program button, and then we're going to hit 1, and then we're going to hit 3, right? And so that puts us into a shop name. So let's do the shop name first. Let's go ahead and hit on this button to confirm, and that puts us into the edit mode. And so currently it's ABC Store, and IME button is the one that changes from uppercase to different lowercase, because there's different functions to each button. So let's call this one Sans Fresh Produce, and let's have one S, that's uppercase. Now I need this special character. About this one? No. Okay. Alright, so it's not that one. How about we go to this one? No. No. So how do you do the upper apostrophe? Hold on. You know what? I'm not really seeing the apostrophe, so I'm just gonna skip the apostrophe. Alright, so we want to be on a lowercase. Sans. There's the space button, and the next word is gonna be sans fresh produce. So we can go uppercase F, lowercase R, E, S, H, space, uppercase P, R. Okay, so that's it. That's all the room we have. Sans fresh P. So let's go ahead and delete the P, and we'll put fresh produce on the next line. Alright, so after we did this, we have to hit end. No, not end. In fact, we have to hit amend button. And so that programs the shop name, and then we want to switch to device name. That's a second line, right? And hit confirm. And so we left on the word produce. Uppercase P, lowercase r, O, space, and let's try to stick a phone number, or maybe just, I'll actually not delete, comma. I'm improvising here. I'm just gonna say New York, all uppercase, NY, and Y. Okay, and then we're gonna hit confirm. Right, so after we're done, we have to hit on end, amend, and then we can get out to the sale. And then let's just put this one blueprint. Oh wow, we're not out. One blueprint. Not enough weight. Okay, how's that? Okay. And so there it is. Sans Fresh Produce, New York. That's how you change the two bottom lines to represent the store name.